Time to crave the Knish. Hi, my name's Cory and I've been a chef for over 20 years. And today we're talking about the classic New York Knish, the Gabila Knish, the classic square Knish. Gabila's has been making Knishes for almost 100 years, starting in Manhattan's Lower East Side and selling them at Coney Island. Now you can get them at your grocery stores, or even better yet, go to gabilas.com and they'll ship them right to your door fresh. What's a Knish? This is a Knish. It's total potato goodness. It's mashed potatoes wrapped in a crispy coating. Gabila's bakes them fresh with spinach and potato, sweet potato, and their classic potato Knish. It's typically served with mustard, but today in this kitchen, we're thinking outside the box. We're gonna show you the KNISHBURGER. So we're gonna start with our classic Gabila Knish. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna slice it in half, first off. And you can see right inside is potato goodness. And I'm gonna warm this up in the oven. Now, a few different ways you can do this. I'm warming it up in the oven, but you can also do this right on the barbecue, or you can sear it in a pan if you want. So I'm gonna warm it up for about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna get my onion ready, saute off my onions. So just taking a white onion, gonna slice it up. And I got my hot pan over here, and I'm gonna add some oil. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna assemble our KNISHBURGER. So I have my two sides of the Knish here, which I've heated up in the oven. And I'm just gonna put on a little bit of a spicy mayo, which I made. And I'm gonna add some lettuce for some crunch, a little tomato for some flavor. And I got my burger here. And then finally, I'm gonna top it with some of these yummy caramelized onions. Close it off with the other half of the Knish. So there you have it. Classic Knish reimagined as a burger. The Knish patty makes for a delicious bun. So be a bit adventurous and try making grilled cheese, or you can try a breakfast sandwich with the Knish. You don't have to go to New York to get these things. Gabila's bakes them fresh every day and ships them out anywhere in the continental US. So just go to gabilas.com to order yours, and they'll deliver them freshly baked right to your home. So thank you for watching. For more great ideas, visit our Facebook page or our YouTube channel, where we do a twist on some classic recipes. Crave the Knish.